age-related health issues in senior citizen and why we need to take care of our fitness before it's too late. The population beyond 50 plus witnesses a sharp decline in cardiovascular health, bone density and muscle loss or sarcopenia. Let's talk about muscle loss or sarcopenia. Studies have shown there is a 1 to 3% of muscle loss annually beyond the age of 60, and there is a 1 to 2% muscle loss annually beyond the age of 50, which means the bones have to take a lot of load of the body because the muscles have become weak. So the bones become very vulnerable and we face joint pain, back pain, knee pain, and it cascades into a lot of health issues. Loss of muscles may also lead to disbalancing and falling off and injuring oneself. Studies have shown that there is a reduction of 40% of bone density in women and 13% for men. For women, it is a little bit more because of the menopause and the hormonal changes that happen in the body. The sharp decline in bone mineral density causes inability to walk. The hips become vulnerable and they are no more able to bear the load of the body. In case a fall happens, the healing process is much slower. There is a sharp decline in cardiovascular health due to being stationary most of the times. The VO2 max is the amount of oxygen exchanged by the lungs during movement or exercises, and there is a sharp decline in VO2 max. There is also a sharp decline in stroke volume. All these health issues due to the age cascades into not being able to do the daily household chores, inability to move, and it determines who will take the wheelchair at first. With proper exercise, resistance training and long-term training plan, as well as food intake, balanced nutrition, these health issues can be countered to a certain extent. Long-term exercise plan for the senior citizen, we need to check the current medication if they are previously injured. Also, there are three categories in senior citizen: the elite, the frail, and the average. The elite are the outliers. They're a very small population. They have been training throughout their lives, and so they are quite pretty good at exercises. With them, there is no need to really specialize the program. They can continue with the exercises, the strength training. The average are sort of in between. They can do most of the daily tasks. The medical condition, etc., needs to be checked before suggesting exercise plan, and we can take them gradually towards higher intensity. The frail, needs to be taken care of. Minor, simple changes in their training, brisk walking, depending on their current condition, we can design the training plan for them. A healthy mind resides in a healthy body. No matter what age group you are in, it's time to take care of your fitness before it's too late. Let's preempt the age-related health issues and start taking charge of our fitness.